The last-minute miracle. Once upon a time, there was a man named Alex who always found himself procrastinating. He had dreams and aspirations, but he never seemed to take any action towards achieving them. He would make plans and set goals, but would always find excuses to delay them. One day, Alex found himself in a desperate situation. He had been given a deadline to submit a project at work, but he had wasted all his time procrastinating. With only a few hours left before the deadline, he had nothing to show for it. Feeling overwhelmed, Alex thought about giving up. But then he remembered something his grandfather had told him when he was a child. When you think you have nothing left, that's when you find your strength. Inspired by these words, Alex decided to give it one last try. He sat down at his desk and started working with all his might. He didn't allow himself to get distracted or discouraged, and he focused on his goal. As the minutes ticked by, Alex worked harder and harder. His hands flew over the keyboard, and he poured his heart and soul into the project. And then, with only seconds to spare, he hit the submit button. The next day, Alex received an email from his boss congratulating him on the excellent work he had done. His project had exceeded all expectations, and his boss was impressed by his dedication and hard work. From that day on, Alex realized that procrastination was just an obstacle that he could overcome. He learned that when he pushed himself to the limit, he was capable of achieving great things. And so, he started taking action towards his dreams, one step at a time, without allowing procrastination to hold him back. The end.